So to start, we're actually going to be using the simple micellar water. You can use the Ghana one, you can use any micellar water that you can get your hands on. It just has to be able to remove some dirt from your skin. And let me also make this clear that this is not for like intensive, makeup. This is just for like an oily skin. You can see how oily my skin is. This is just for somebody that wants to like do your own personal makeup. That is for you, but I will be upgrading it probably by next week. There are other products I would like to add to the product I currently have, so that your matte finish is like more intense. But this is just for like personal use. Let's say your day-to-day makeup or something like that. So I'm just going to use this to like hydrate my skin and clean any dirt or whatsoever on my skin. You will have to like go in properly to your nose areas, the parts where you sweat a lot. I also have a breakout right here in my face. I don't know where that came from, but like that's okay. So you have to like take your time and go into your face and take out all the makeup and oils from your skin. This is a very crucial step for somebody like me that have oily skin. You have to take off the oil, the current and present oil in your face before you go ahead with your what's it called, your skin prep. Okay, so now we are done. You can also go back in with another cotton pad, but I think we are good, so I don't overly exfoliate my skin. Now to moisturize our skin, which is very very important, because sometimes I guess we used to believe that because we have oily skin that we do not need to moisturize our skin. It's actually very important that we moisturize our skin, because the lesser you moisturize, the more oil your skin will produce. So for the moisturizer, we're going to be using the one from Blossom Makeup. It's a Nigerian brand. It's called Moist Essence. It's very very good. It has hyaluronic acid, so if you're an oily skin, you can get it for yourself, or get any other moisturizer that you can afford. This is quite affordable. I can't remember how much go in from my forehead to my cheekbones and every other part of my skin, including the areas where I really sweat. It does not matter. I just have to like moisturize every single part of my face. I like to go into this side of my face and make sure that it's properly moisturized as well. An oily skin is not a skin problem. It's not a skin issue to treat. It is your skin type. You just have to find a way to manage it. Having an oily skin, having a dry skin, having a combination skin is not a problem. It's very okay. You just have to find products that work very well with your skin. If you're oily skin girl, you find products that are very compatible with your oily skin. If you're dry skin, you find product that leaves your skin more hydrated. That's just it. It's not a problem. I like to go in and press in the moisturizer to my skin pores. Now my moisturizer is a little bit dried down. I'm going to go ahead with my primer. Also note that you can use more than 2 primers, but I currently do not have, which is why I said there will be an extended version of this video. You can just go with one. It's okay. I do one every day and it always stays. For the primer, we're going to be using the one from Adventure Makeup. It's also a Nigerian brand. Adventure Primer Base Oil Control. It's very very nice, and it has this very nice blurring effect on my skin texture also. So I like to go into my T-zone areas, the parts where I sweat more than the other. I think I'm more like oily skin in all my entire face. I'm not combination or nothing like that. I just have oily skin all over my face, so it's quite understandable to even apply it all over my skin, but I don't have to do that. You can see how it blurs out the oils like immediately. I also have an eyebrow tutorial for oily skin, because I also sweat around my eyebrows. You can check my YouTube shorts. I just uploaded it. It has about 1.4 thousand views. You can just check it out. So this is not an inclusive makeup look tutorial. It's just mostly to show you how I'm able to like control my oil skin with my makeup. So I will be skipping some parts, and you'll be seeing me in some parts that are very, very crucial and necessary. You're a Nigerian, or you can get your hands on the Blossom Makeup Spotless Perfect Coverage Super Matte Concealer. It's super matte, like it stayed true to the name. It's super matte, and I love the matte finish it's giving me. It's not giving me too oily. The only issue I have with it is that I could not find the brighter version, because I like to brighten my under eyes properly. So I'll have to use another product that is not super matte. So I don't know if it's gonna ruin it, but I love the matte finish is giving. I skipped the part where I'm done with my cream product, and I just used the Kiss Beauty makeup even after my skin. I used it after my skin prep, but for some reason I can't find the video. I think I skipped recording it, but after my skin prep I used it, and now after my skin work, which is the cream product, I also used it. So I'm just going to dry it down, and then we'll continue with the powder product. Okay, this was the part of the video, but I just wanted to show you guys my baking. I love baking my face so much. It makes me so excited. Like, look at that sculpting. Look at that. Look. Now after my skin work, you see how matte finished everything is looking. I'm going to be using again my Kiss Beauty fixing spray to like set everything in. Now I'm going to let it dry matte, like matte. Look at the lips. I love this lip combo. It's giving. Now this is what we have. A very beautiful matte finish, but still moisturized skin that you can wear to birthdays, weddings, anywhere that you want. I mean, who's gonna know that you're an oily skin girl when everything is looking so matte and moisturized? I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, and see you in my next video. And yes, there are so many other tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out. I love you guys so much, and bye.